Hi guys, I have a quick question. Are you guys tired of picking up or losing your students' exit tickets because of the stickiness of a post-it note is gone? Yeah, I feel your pain. But let's make an introduction real quick. Hi everyone, my name is Denise Escobedo, and as the title says, we are going to be learning how to create a virtual wall to post our notes and our students' notes using our soon-to-be favorite technology tool, Padlet. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, before we do so, have you guys ever thought about changing the game up and posting your ideas online? Well, I know that sounds a little scary, but it's not. It's nothing too difficult. In this video, I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough by showing you step by step on how to create a virtual wall for students to post their ideas and exit tickets. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the free version of Padlet, which comes with a total of 3 Padlets. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to take us to Padlet. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and log in. If you have logged in already, go ahead and just quickly choose the option that you'd like to use to log in. And if not, you can easily make a Padlet account when you sign up. Now for me, you're going to notice that I like to connect my email to my login so I can easily access Padlet. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to log in with Google, click on my account, and I am logged in. Easy as that. So now the next thing I'm going to come across is my dashboard. Here you will see all the projects that I've been working on, but right now I'm going to create a new Padlet. So I'm going to go into this icon to make a new Padlet. So that's what I'm going to click on. And some of you may be wondering, what is a Padlet? And a Padlet is a collection of thoughts. You can post notes, videos, images, links, and the pretty cool thing about this is that you can share it with anyone. You can share it with your students, parents, and they can post too. This is great for collaborating and brainstorming. Now, when Padlet starts, it sort of creates a default for you after choosing your layout. Your layout is the way you want your information to be presented. And right now, I'm going to choose the wall. Now, once you click on your layout, it will create a Padlet for you. As you can see, it already has a title right here. Oh no, a title, a description. Sorry, but I can go ahead and modify it so it can show us back to what it begins with. Now, as you can see, the title and the description are probably not what I want. So you can choose your appearance and change it into anything you want. You can choose from the selection that's already been uploaded, or you can upload your own images. So next thing, I'm going to go ahead and change my description and title. Now if you look closely, I can hold up to here and change it. So I'm going to go ahead and put exit ticket. And the description, I'm just going to put the standard that I want them to focus on. 1.16b, describe how technology has affected communication. Oh, sorry, typos. And you notice how I'm changing it here. It also changes right here with that instant. So now I don't like the actual background, so I'm going to go ahead and change it. And this is the quick selection that I was talking about. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and go for. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to save my changes. And I'm going to close this. And now I can go ahead and begin to post on my wall. Now, look closely because I can add content 2 ways. I can click in just about anywhere, or I can use this pink button to write my post-it. For the title, I like the students to write their name and then add their content. Depending on what I ask the students to have, I like to give them the option of doing anything, adding images, links, and videos. So what I do for every Padlet is provide an example of what I am expecting for them to do. So I'm going to do a search of an image after I write my name. This is the little example. And I'm going to write down technology changes how quickly we receive information. And an example of that is a cell phone. So I'm going to search up cell phone, and I'm going to click on this thing. And I'm done, you guys. That's easy. So I can actually move this just about anywhere as well, or I can change the layout, even though I already changed it in the beginning. So once I'm finished, I would like to review and figure out if I've made any typos or anything. So I'm looking for the last minute scene touches, doing a quick browse, making sure that everything has been posted correctly and it's working. And once you do that, you're all done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial and that this video will help you create your own Padlet for your exit tickets or reflection or just about anything. But without further ado, let's go ahead and give a huge shout out to our citations and our technology tools. Bye guys.